guys, and welcome back to another video with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, guys, I am going to be unboxing the new HTVRONT Tumbler Heat Press, the A200. Now, before we even get into the things, I want to talk about this machine real quick. There's no rotating necessary. They do come preset, so it does come with the presets already set up for you. I believe it comes in multiple different colors. I know for a fact it comes in blue because this is the one I have, but I will check for that if they come in other colors. Now, the thing that sets this one apart is that you can, every single thing that you can think of to drinkware, as far as drinkware, can be pressed in this tumbler press here. And they make that possible with two different plates. So in this video, I did press a 40-ounce tumbler and a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. Now, I am going to show you how to take the plates out. So this was the first plate that I used when I did the 20-ounce skinny tumbler. Once we were done with this, we're going to go ahead and take this out, and I'm going to put in the plate for the 40-ounce tumbler so that we can go ahead and press both. And I will show you up close exactly how to take it out and how to put in the other plate to make sure that it is properly secure and installed. It also comes with two tumbler mats. One is a 2.00 millimeter, one is a 4.00 milliliter. I will be using the 4.00 milliliter one for my 20-ounce skinny tumbler. This is to ensure that I get the best pressure possible. With the 40-ounce tumbler, it comes with its own pressing mat, which looks like this. It does actually take the shape of the tumbler, okay? It also comes with heat-resistant tape as well as sublimation gloves, okay? We are definitely getting into all things HTVRONT Tumbler Press today. Like I said, these are the two projects I did. They turned out absolutely beautiful. As always, everything will be linked down in the description box for you to be able to check out at your leisure. You guys, make sure you are liking, sharing, subscribing. They have a new feature here, which is hyping. Make sure you're hyping the video and all of those things. But this is what we're doing today, guys. So definitely stick around for that. All right, you guys. So here is my first print here. That looks absolutely amazing. But this is the HTVRONT Auto Press, the A200. So I have it already plugged in. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You guys, the way the buttons are set up is very, very similar to the Auto Press 2. If you have that, they're very similar. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is the auto presets that it comes with. If you push this button here, so the first one is auto, and that one is set for 390, 100, and 190 seconds. If you want to switch it, they have, I'm sorry, that was not auto, that was A. This is B, they have C, and they have D. So it does already come with some pretty good presets. I'm going to do D, which is 100. It was 390 degrees at 100. It says LB, which is pounds. That's for the pressure. And then 170 seconds. Now, it also does come with two of these mats. I'm going to go ahead. This one is 2.00 millimeters, and this one is 4.00 milliliters. What I'm going to do, because you do have to warm it up with a tumbler in there, so I'm just going to get a blank tumbler, wrap it in the mat, and then we're going to stick it in there while it's preheating. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of scoot it out the way so we can go ahead and wrap our tumbler. Now this is just kind of how I wrap mine. You guys, there's a million different ways that you can wrap tumblers, whichever way, works for you. I like to put a piece of tape on the back of my paper that's going to be touching my tumbler. This helps to, if you're a person, this is for people who like to overlap their tumblers. If you bring your seams right in together, then you don't have to do this. But for me, I overlap them like this, right? It's not a huge overlap. It's just a little bit. I overlap mine just a little bit. Now there is ink right here on the edge. So to stop any ghosting from happening, that's why I put this tape here, so that whatever ink is going to press onto this side of the paper, because I'm overlapping, it'll be right on that tape and it won't ghost onto my tumbler. So that is why I do that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and bring these edges in. And start taping. I don't go tape crazy. I just kind of do the seam and the top and the bottom. And I'm starting off with obviously the standard plate. It does come with 2 plates, obviously, so that you can do the 40-ounce tumblers as well. I will be doing that plate after this one. We'll switch it out, and then we'll do the 40-ounce as well. So you can see both of the plates in this video. So I like to wrap mine around, and then I just kind of tuck the tape. And then I do the exact same thing for the bottom. Okay, and then I just tuck. And that beep lets me know that we are to temperature. So this does also come with gloves, and it comes with heat resistant tape as well. So I'm going to put the gloves on, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this mat out and move it off to the side. And then this is my thicker mat, so the 4.00. I'm going to use this one for this tumbler because I want it to have a good amount of pressure. I'm going to stick it right inside of here. And then we're going to press the R, and it's going to go ahead and close. Okay, no rotating, no nothing. I am going to let that do its thing, and I will come right back. And then it doesn't have to be rotated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the timer go all the way down. I'm going to pull the tumbler out. I'm going to let it cool for maybe a couple minutes, just enough for me to be able to handle it. And then we'll do the peel reveal, and then we will do the other plate and the other tumbler. All right, so I did take out, this is the skinny tumbler. While I'm waiting for this to cool off, we're going to go ahead and switch out the plate. This one is still warm, so I'm going to do it with gloves on so I do not burn my hands. But this little orange lever here, you just kind of pull it and it slides right out. Now, the cool thing that I like about these plates is so that you can tell which one is which. It does have the tumbler symbol. So this is supposed to resemble a skinny tumbler. And then if you look at this one, you will see it resembles the 40-ounce tumbler, which is this one here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, and exactly how we remove the other one, we are going to go ahead and slide this one. Okay, so I wanted to get a little closer so that you can see. Again, these prongs here go in here. These grooves here go here. Okay. So I'm going to slide it. That one didn't want to slide in. There we go. And did you hear that click? When it is all the way in there, it clicks. Okay. So that lets me know my plate is in there. This one isn't hot. So I actually feel like this one isn't all the way on there. There we go. Sorry, you guys, I'm trying to do this and record. So there we go. So you want to make sure this silver one is on this groove. This silver one is on that groove. And then you want to push it all the way in and hear that click. Okay. All right. So now we have to go ahead and preheat this one. So I'm going to turn it on. Let's look at these presets. I think I want this one to be a little bit longer. So we're going to do the 390 100 pound 90 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and stick this one in there while it's preheating. And then this one is warm enough for us to go ahead and peel reveal. Actually, I'll wait. So what I'm going to do is print out my next image. I'm actually going to turn this off for now because I'm not ready yet. I got to print out my image really quickly and I will come right back. All right, you guys. So I do have my press heated up for the 40 ounce. Now, this plate has a narrow side and it has a wide side for this particular tumbler, which is, like I said, the 40 ounce. This side is the narrow side, okay? And then this side over here, I don't know if you can tell, it is way larger. This hole here is way larger. We're gonna have to insert our tumbler from the large side and slide it down. Also, with this tumbler press, it does come with its own separate mat that is in the shape of the tumbler, okay? So we're gonna use this mat for this tumbler. And this did come with the hardware already removed. The hardware meaning the handle of the tumbler. You are gonna have to remove the handles, okay? You can't press this with the, I don't think you can press this with the handle, but it did come removed already. So I have this wrapped around my tumbler. I'm gonna go ahead and insert it from the larger side. Make sure it's all the way in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and press. So again, it's 390, 100 pounds for 190 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and let this press. Once it's done, I will come back and we will do the peel reveal on the skinny tumbler as well as the 40 ounce tumbler. All right, so our 40 ounce is done. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it out along with the mat. And I'm gonna set it off to the side to cool. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and unplug it. All right, and while that is cooling, we can go ahead and peel the 20 ounce here. Both of the designs I decided to do today are fall designs. I love a good peel reveal. I'm hoping I'll have no issues. Oh, that looks almost amazing. I got a little bit of, it's a little light like right here. Seam looks pretty good. Oh, that looks amazing. Like I said, it's a little light. So it pressed, it's just like right here on the top part. It is just a little light, but that's okay. This looks absolutely amazing. I love it. This is such a stinking cute design. Really, I could have pressed it a lot longer. I think I pressed it at 190 to 90 seconds. And this paper still has like a lot of ink on it. Like I almost feel like I can press another tumbler with it. It's a little crazy. So this is my first time, you know, pressing it. Like I just opened it with you guys. So really The 190 seconds can probably go up like a little bit more. But I mean, this looks super, super vibrant. Even with a lot of ink still being on the paper, this looks really, really good. But it could probably go up a little bit. Now I'm a little nervous for this one, but let's go ahead and open it. I know this one is still a little hot, so I'm gonna use my gloves. I hate doing peel reveals with gloves though. Y'all, I despise it like so much. I can never get the tape off. Oh, wait, that looks good. OM goodness. No, this looks adorable. Hold on, let me put on this other glove. Look, and this is the tumbler that HTVRONT sent me. I will make sure I leave a link for the tumbler. I believe they may have these on their website. I will double check for you. If they do, I will put them in the description box below. These 40-ounce sublimation tumblers. Y'all, I didn't line it all the way up to the bottom, but that's okay. This is too stinking cute. All right. Well, that is all I have for this video, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Everything will be linked down in the description box that I used in today's video, from the ink, the printer, everything. Oh, real quick, my printer settings, and I'll try to remember to put this information in the description box as well. But my printer settings were on premium presentation matte with the quality on high. But that's all I have for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to hype. You guys, they have a new thing now where they are hyping videos. Don't forget to hype, like, share, subscribe, all of the good things. Until next time. Bye, guys.